Hello and welcome to the Organic Backyard Gardening channel. My name is Winston and I'll be sharing with you my journey as an organic backyard farmer. Planting crops has always been one of my favorite hobbies. I remember from when I was a child, I used to plant some beans. I remember it was broad beans at the time. And I used to plant them and let them run up in the mango tree. And then when they were ready to pick, I just climb the mango tree and stay in there and pick all of them. In November 2020 last year, I decided to become a pescatarian. I quickly realized that to maintain this lifestyle, I would definitely need to grow as much as possible as I eat. So, 1 year later, I am on this journey to transform my entire backyard into a backyard garden. So, I want you to follow me on this journey. Stay tuned. I've already created a greenhouse, which you will see in subsequent videos. Now, follow me along for a tour of my existing backyard garden. Welcome to my backyard. So here I have some seedlings that I'm going to transplant soon. You're looking currently at June plum. That's June plum right there. And I have two, I think those are lime. Don't remember what that one is right now. But here I have some tomatoes that I'm going to transplant. And there are more tomatoes there. And I have some lettuce as well. Okay, so that's the section for the seedlings right here. I'm going to go around to the side of the building, and here I have some citrus plant here. This is a lime tree, I think, and here I have gungo. As you can see, it's fully loaded right now. Actually got a lot out of it for Christmas, and we still have some more to reap from it. I know gungo is a very expensive piece. Here I have my greenhouse, and you will see more of the greenhouse in other episodes. Alright, so I'm heading back around to the back section, which has a sloping area. Here I have some banana trees. I have some banana trees here. I think there's a red banana as well. Here I have some pineapple planted in pots. Right now we're looking at sugarcane. This is a lemon plant right here. Here I have some scallion. And this is fever grass. As we move along, there's some fever grass in the back as well. Alright, moving right along, here is some tomato that I transplanted recently. These are actually salad tomatoes, so you'll see more videos on those as they grow. There is tomato as well as corn, sweet pepper, and there the pine I was mentioning earlier, they are planted in pots. Here I have avocado. This is a guava tree that I need to transplant real soon. Some more sweet peppers there. Here in the back I have some cucumbers. I need to build a trellis for them so they can grow upwards. This is another avocado tree. This is another type of pine right here. Right here you're looking at spinach. Very, very good to have in your garden. And now I have so you're looking at a cucumber plant right there. And there are some blossoms as well. Here I have some kale. I also have some cilantros and parsleys as well. Looking at some hot peppers right there. And that's some gungo peas that I planted to break the wind. Okay, so right here, you're looking at some sweet potatoes. I would need to plow up this area to get the soil aerated. I actually built a raised bed garden for the sweet potatoes. So you're looking at this now, and this is where I will actually going to plant all the sweet potatoes in the future, so I can have control over most of it. Okay, so you're looking at my soursop tree. It also needs to be plowed up to get it aerated because it seems to be moving very slow. But you get to see everything that is done to it. Currently I need to do some bushing up on the top there. Alright, so let's go on the top of the slope. There is the greenhouse in full. And there's a mango tree in the distance there. Okay, so this is actually a step garden that I'm trying to create here. Alright, so you're looking at my ackee tree, and this is actually butteraki, very delicious. As you can see, in another 2 weeks or so I will have ackees to eat, make breakfast with. And I just may do a video when I'm preparing the ackee to show you. I'll probably put that on my other channel though. Okay, so this is another small area that I initially started with. Now I have some aloe vera there. I have some hot peppers. And some more peppers there. And at the end here, I have a tomato tree intertwined with a pepper, which is not ideal, but I know the tomato will outgrow the pepper. And then there will be enough space. Alright, so that's pretty much it for my garden so far. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.